Perhaps one of the most exciting and perplexing concepts in modern cosmology science is the theory that we live in a multiverse. According to the theory, our universe is not the only universe. There are probably many others, in infinite numbers, and each has different physical properties. This concept may be novel and disconcerting to scientists, but it is located in ancient Hindu cosmology. The Vedas and other Hindu scriptures are believed to date from 5000 BC to 26,000 BC and contain descriptions of several universes whose inhabitants are ruled by kings in the human universe and gods in the higher universe. Many gods and goddesses can be located in different universes. The idea of physical multiverse was already there in Hinduism and came later in modern science. The concept that time is cyclic may seem strange to some, but it is true that it will happen again and again. One hypothesis states that there is a possibility of having an Earth like ours and the same events are happening there as well. This means that you can probably experience the moment elsewhere, which may sound strange. But it is a possibility. According to science and Vedic scriptures, in other universes, one can live in the future or perhaps in the past. For example, you might be experiencing a part of Ramayan or Mahabharata or some other event in past history at the same time in another universe. According to science, there are possibilities of having multiverse, but Hinduism believes that there is multiverse. The Ramayan is a Sanskrit epic that tells the story of Lord Ram, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. When Lord Ram was about to complete his incarnation period, he called Yam, the god of death, to take him to Mrityu Lok, but Yam could not do so. Because Hanuman was guarding the gates of Ayodhya and did not let Yam in, as Hanuman had vowed to keep death away from Lord Ram. But as Lord Ram knew that he had to complete the period of his incarnation, and to do so, one day he dropped his ring in a crack in the earth and asked Hanuman to bring it. With the help of his powers, Hanuman became smaller in size and went to Patal Lok through a crack. There he met the serpent king Vasuki, who knew the cycle of life and death. He took Hanuman to the Mount of the Rings. Upon reaching there, Hanuman realized that all those rings belonged to Lord Ram and asked Vasuki about the mystery of these events. Vasuki then explained that each ring represented a time wheel, or in Hindi, Kal Chakra, consisting of 4 quadrants. Ram had incarnated in Treta Yuga. And then one day a ring would fall in Patal Lok, and Hanuman would come in search of the ring. And then, Lord Ram will complete his incarnation period. So, these rings have come from millions of billions of time cycles, which are in many parallel universes. Lord Ram would end his carnation and take birth again and again. However, the cycle never breaks and it repeats itself again and again. Hanuman then learnt of Lord Ram's motive by informing him about his various incarnations in different universes. Hanumanji then let Lord Ram go with Yam. This story proves the existence of a parallel universe. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Like, comment on the video and share the video with your friends and help us grow and keep us motivated to produce such quality content for you in the future. Thank you.